this whole culture that we have nowadays, where everyone's so interested in judging one another and finding ways or reasons not to like one another, and being able to sit back and say, okay, well, this one has this problem and this one has this problem. This didn't come from our religion. Our religion doesn't teach us this. We make excuses for one another. We try to overlook one another. We try to hide one another's faults. We're not looking for reasons. Okay, well, he said this or he did this. We don't even give them excuses. Okay, that individual may just not have learned this issue yet. But instead, we say, okay, no, he's got to be deviant. No, he's got to be this. Or he did this, he's got to be from this sect. This isn't what we're supposed to be upon. Us judging one another and being judgmental with one another is not from our way. Now,